Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Medicare Levy Exemption. First, understand what the Medicare Levy is and why it exists. Then, carefully review the eligibility criteria to see if your personal circumstances qualify you for an exemption. Finally, begin gathering all the necessary documents and information that will support your claim. There are several categories for Medicare Levy Exemption. You might qualify if you are a low-income earner, falling below specific income thresholds. Exemptions also apply to individuals with certain medical conditions, such as blind pensioners or those receiving free medical treatment through Defense Force arrangements. Additionally, foreign residents and temporary visa holders who are not eligible for Medicare can often claim an exemption. To apply, you must first obtain a Medicare Entitlement Statement, or MES, from Services Australia, confirming your ineligibility for Medicare benefits. This is a crucial step before lodging your tax return. Once you have your MES, complete the Medicare Levy Exemption section on your income tax return and attach all required supporting documents, including your MES. After submitting your Medicare Entitlement Statement application, Services Australia will process it, which may take several weeks. Once you've lodged your tax return with the exemption claim, the Australian Taxation Office will assess it. You will receive notification of the outcome. Remember to keep all records of your application and the MES for your personal files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.